Hi guys! A day in my life as a part-time content creator na wala pang sahod at hindi naman sikat sa social media. Shoutout pala sa ating Pearl for today's video. At ngayong araw po, I am taking a break from my usual hustle and bustle and bringing you on a little escape to a place I love. Kung kagaya ko kayo, na nature ang pamparelax after a stressful work natin everyday, yung video na to ay para sa'yo. Naka-experience ka na bang pumunta sa Mountain View Nature Park sa Busay, Cebu City? Kung hindi pa, samahan mo naman kami dahil mag-i-enjoy at magre-relax tayo ngayon. If magtatanong kayo, paano pupunta dito? You know what? Getting here is so pretty easy. You can take a 04H jeepney from JY Square in Lahog. There's a bit of walk uphill from the highway, but trust me, the view is worth it. If you are feeling a little fancy, you can also grab a taxi or hire a motorbike. Just pre-arrange the price beforehand. Just like us, nag-move it na lang kami para hindi na hassle mag-commute. Isang kunting kaalaman lang para sa ating lahat. Mountain View Nature Park has been around for over 20 years. It started as simple rest house and has grown into a popular tourist spot. It's a perfect for those seeking a quick getaway from the city. And also, they have different types of accommodations here, from room with bunk beds to ones with an air conditioning. Rates are very affordable, perfect for solo, travelers, barkada, or even families. Pero the main attraction naman talaga dito is the view. Just look at this. You can get a panoramic view of Cebu City. Perfect for Instagrammable. Mapapasana all ka na lang talaga kasi hindi mo akalain na may ganito talaga sa Cebu City. Super peaceful talaga dito, especially after a long week. Relax na relax ka talaga dito. I often see people come for a different reason. Some come from family outings and other for team building activities, and some like us just need a break from a daily grind. Remember guys, it is so important to take time for ourselves. The constant pressure of our work can take a toll in our mental and physical health. Taking a break, even just a short one like this, can do wonders. Palagi ko ito sinasabi sa mga vlog ko na Cebu has a lot to offer, from its natural resources down to its people. This Mountain View Nature Park, isa rin to sa i-recommend ko. Hindi rin kayo dito magugutom kasi may restaurant sila at coffee shop at resto bar. Open sila daily from 8 AM onwards. Kahit hindi kayo mag-book ng room dito, you can still enjoy the wonders of this nature. Heads up lang po, since this is a mountain view, expect na malamig talaga yung panahon dito. Perfect ngayong summer na super mainit ang temperature natin. Expect din na dadayuhin ito ng mga tao to unwind na rin. If you want naman ng reservation, you can just go to their Facebook page, just search Mountain View Nature Park, Busay, Cebu City. Responsive naman sila para hindi kayo maubusan ng room for the accommodations. Kung sa Siargao, may human drone, mayroon din tayo dito sa Mountain View Nature Park. O diba, pauso kami. Sana may music ito, kaso di tayo pinayagan talaga ni Meta na gumamit ng music. Kaya nag voice over na lang ako. Alam ko naman, nasawang-sawa na kayo sa boses ko. Content ko naman to. Char! Yung partner ko pala yung nag-video ng ganyan. Natatawa ako kasi naisip namin na mag-video ng ganito. Hindi pala madali guys, nakakapagod pala maging human drone. Of course, mayroon din siyang entry, hindi yan magpapalugi. Sorry na guys kasi feeling ko nahihilo na kayo sa aming mga video. Sa susunod naman sa Siargao na talaga kami magpapa-human drone, mas maganda doon. Sa ngayon, dito muna tayo sa Mountain View Nature Park, Busay, Cebu City. So tama na guys yung mga kakulitan. If you're ever in Cebu and need a place to unwind, I highly recommend this place for you. The fresh air, the stunning views, and the relaxing atmosphere will definitely leave you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. At yun lamang po for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this little escape with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventure. Until next time, bye guys! Hope you learned something for today.